In the previous videos you saw me as I built an access road down to the dam. In this video, using that access road to allow me to get down to this dam and fix this huge hole which is in the dam wall and obviously causing the dam to leak. So join me in this mini-series. I'll start off by installing an overflow pipe, fix the dam wall where it's leaking, remove all the trees from the dam, give it a general tidy up, and then also install some header walls around the overflow pipe. So I'm standing on top of the dam at the moment, top of the dam wall, looking down into the hole which is on the water side. And as you can see here, that hole actually allows the water to move all the way underneath the dam, and there's multiple sinkholes through the dam wall. On the back side of the dam there is a huge sort of blowout hole where the water's been coming through. You see someone's attempted to fill that in the past, but it goes on. As the water comes out there, but it actually goes underground as well. So it comes from there to around here somewhere. See this now? It's coming out the ground there. That is one long hole through the dam, and when you stand here, stand back and look, the hole we were just looking at is here. The hole in the dam is just behind the tree up there. That is a lot of work to remove that. So the hole that is in the dam, this hole here, which goes an awful long way back. It's like a Ridley snake, doesn't it? And there, it goes a long way back. Just worked out where that comes from. So here is an overflow cap. And that pipe, when you follow it through, straight through, and a hole in the dam wall on the other side is where the pipe is. And that's pretty typical failing of a dam, is the water tends to follow the overflow pipe, seeps alongside the pipe, and when you don't get a good seal on it, just keeps seeping and seeping, and eventually just gets bigger and bigger to the point where the water can flow through. And I think that is what we have got here, which is resulting in this ginormous hole. So now I've worked out what the size of the hole is that goes through the dam. I've also managed to work out the path and the direction of that hole. I even managed to work out why the hole has occurred and the dam's failed, and that's as the water's travelled along an old overflow pipe. What I need to do now is set myself up to fix the issue. So one of the first things that I do is lower the water level in the dam. I get the water pump running and take as much water out as I can. What I also did is I managed to purchase an overflow pipe. It's a 40cm diameter smooth bore pipe, heavy duty, so I will be able to drive over it in the future. And I also managed to get on local Facebook and eBay and get quite a few bags of lime, plaster and cement for free, and I'll use those to actually create a leak stop around the overflow pipe. So what you see here is my friend arriving with his excavator. The excavator is fitted with a rock breaker. Instead of a point from a rock breaker, we've actually got a flat plate there. So that flat plate can be used to help compact the soil in the dam, and once I've also installed the overflow pipe, we'll use that plate to compact the soil around the pipe as well and ensure there's no leaks. So what we did was we used his trenching bucket to excavate out the dam wall and remove the holes and the water paths that were in that dam wall. What you don't see is that the fact that we actually went to the full depth of the excavator and made sure that we cleared all those paths. As we were backfilling the dam wall, we added lime or plaster just to add a bit of substance to the soil so that it would assist with the compaction. We ensured that each layer of soil as it was put back into the hole was compacted, but we paid special attention to the compaction running along the core of the dam wall. Once we had the soil at the right depth for the overflow pipe, we brought in a plate compactor and gave the area a smooth over, and then proceeded to install the pipe and backfill the area, continuously compacting as we went. So at the end of the first day we had the overflow pipe installed. However, there were some minor holes either side of the overflow pipe which still needed to be fixed. That was going to be done on another day.